Hello everyone and welcome to my balcony garden. In today's video I'm going to be planting onion sets indoors into this container here. I want to give my onions a good start to the season, an early start to the season. The weather has not been great, it's been so wet where I am and also very cold. So this isn't the ideal conditions to be planting out onion sets. And by the time the weather gets milder and the last chance of frost has passed, I can then plant them into their outdoor containers. So what are onion sets? Well, they're basically small onions. They were sown very close together and therefore couldn't grow to their full size. They've also been essentially forced into dormancy. And the benefits of growing from onion sets is that obviously they're at a far more advanced stage than seeds are, and you bypass all these potential problems of growing from seed. So when I actually plant these bulbs here, they've already got sort of a small amount of fibrous roots at the bottom here, and as soon as I plant these, within a few days they're going to start putting down roots and establishing themselves. So it's quicker, it's easier, and basically the hard work's sort of been done for you. So I've already filled my container with a good multi-purpose compost. This container was, I think, full of tomatoes. I have so many plastic containers flying around the flat right now, so I'm trying to use them all. Now let's get planting. So planting onion sets is literally like the easiest thing in the world. You basically take your onion set, there is a top, which is this pointy part here. This is where the foliage is going to come out of, and at the bottom you can already see there are some roots, the remnants of these fibrous roots from when they were growing before. So all you do is you take your onion set and you pop it into the soil, half submerge it, and then just firm the soil around it. And that's it. In this container I'm going to be sowing the onion sets maybe about 5 centimeters apart, making sure that there is at least a bit of distance between the sides of the containers as well. They aren't going to be staying here forever, so I am going to plant them quite close to each other, and I'm just going to get on with it. Remember that the larger the onion set, chances are the larger that final onion is going to also be. So when you're choosing onions to plant, try and choose as large as you can. And that is it. Now I'm going to give them a nice big drink. I'm going to label them, and then I'm going to pop them on my windowsill here, which is facing onto the balcony, where they're going to receive a lot of light. Ideal temperatures for the onions are around 17 to 21 degrees Celsius. Make sure that the soil remains moist but never saturated. And that's all you need to do. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe to the channel. I hope you're all staying busy in your gardens or growing spaces. I send you all my good wishes, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.